Welcome back to another video, everyone. So today, I'm going to review Banjo-Kazooie Nuts and Bolts, the black sheep of the Banjo-Kazooie series by these guys. Yeah, we really mean it. Yeah, that's right. So yeah. Oh, and there's a whole bunch of stuff to do in this game as well. Yep, that's right. So yeah. Oh, and there's a whole lot of stuff to do in this game as well. Literally, am I right? So yeah. Oh, and there's even. Oh, and there's also the Resident Evil games as well. So yeah, how cool is that? Oh, and it's similar to Super Mario Galaxy as well. Literally, am I right? Anyway, don't mind the noise in the background, alright? I'm in a hotel. So yeah. Anyway, check it out. All of this is my gameplay. You see? All this. Check it out. So now it's even bigger with cars. Yeah, that's right. Cars. Okay, that's better. Yeah. Less noisy. Yeah, that's right. And you even get to collect musical notes, as always. How cool is that? Oh, and you get to swim, as always. Yeah, that's right. So yeah, it's underrated and unappreciated. Yeah, that's right. So yeah, I like this game. It's fun, in my opinion, yeah? So yeah, not a bad game, but it's a really good game as well. So in my opinion, it's a pretty great game, and everything about this game is pretty great. The controls are fine, and they're eating pizza, and yeah. Check out these cutscenes. They are absolutely stellar in many ways. Yeah, that's right. So yeah. Oh, and you get to pause at any time. Yup, that's right. During cutscenes. Log? Yup, that's right. Oh, and there's also many cutscenes to come across as well. Yup, that's right. Oh, and these talking cutscenes, how can I forget about that? So yeah. Oh, and there's also many worlds to discover as well. So yeah. Banjo-Kazooie, a great game to play, and Banjo-Tooie, a pretty good game. Not a bad game, but a pretty good game as well, yeah? So yeah, this is a pretty good game and not a bad game as well. So whatever you have at home, you're in for a wonderful time. So yeah. I may also do the Game Boy Advance Banjo games, but who knows? So yeah. After all of this is my gameplay on the Xbox One, you see? All this. So yeah. Oh, and you get to skip the cutscenes with the Y button at any time. Yup. Okay, it's not for the same for the Xbox 360 version, which is what I don't have. After all, I have it digitally on Xbox One. So yeah. Oh, and check it out. Everything is glorious, even the lava. S- And you get to shoot force things as well, like Star Wars. How cool is that? Oh, and there's a whole bunch of stuff to do in this game as well. As always, yeah. So, yeah. Oh, and you even get to shoot other enemies as well. You get to roll things as well. How cool is that? So, yeah. Oh, and you get to force things like I keep saying, just like in Star Wars as a Jedi, yeah? That's right. How cool is that? Oh, and careful where you step, you might fall. Yep, that's right. So, yeah. Oh, and there's a whole bunch of stuff to do in this game as well. Yeah, like driving cars, as always, yeah. How cool is that? So, yeah. Yeah. Okay, fine. Everything was pretty decent, yeah. So, yeah. How cool is that? So yeah, everything is pretty cool as well as the driving. Oh my god, the driving, holy crap, it's so good to see. So yeah. Oh, and you even get to come across other things as well. So yeah. Oh, and there's a whole bunch of stuff to do in this game as well. After all, we only got 12 minutes left, so why not? So yeah. Oh, and you even get to do a whole bunch of stuff to do in this game as well. How cool is that? After all, we only got 12 minutes left, so no biggie. Let's do this. So yeah. Oh, and you even get to come across other things as well. Yup. Okay, fine, it's not the same for the first three, for the first two games as well. Yup, that's right. So yeah. Oh, and there's also you even get to create your own car as well. Yeah, that's right. How cool is that? Oh, and after all of this is my gameplay, like I keep saying, on the Xbox One. Yeah, that's right. How cool is that? So yeah. Oh, and there's a whole bunch of stuff to do in this game as well. So yeah, like creating cars and defeating bosses, like in Little Big Planet and that game as well. Yup, that's right. And you even get to build airplanes as well. How cool is that? Oh, and I don't even know what that woohoo thing is. So yeah. After all of this is my gameplay, you see? Like I keep saying, okay, I'm starting to sound like a broken record. Yeah, on the Xbox One, by the way, yeah. There's a whole bunch of stuff to do in this game as well. Yup, that's right. Oh, and how cool is that? Oh, and check out these cutscenes. They are absolutely gorgeous in many ways. Yup, that's right. So yeah. After all, we only got 9 minutes left, so no biggie. We can still go on, yeah. That's right. So yeah. After all of this is my gameplay, you see? All of this. How cool is that? Oh, and also, you get to drive and race as well. How cool is that? How cool is that? Oh, and there's this igloo as well. So yeah. Sorry I belched, but that's okay. So yeah. After all of this is my gameplay, you see? All this. Okay, I'm starting to sound like a broken record, yeah. On the Xbox One, like I keep saying, I'm starting to sound like a broken record anyway. So yeah. You see, I'm saving the world right here by flying and driving as well. How cool is that? You even get to fly as well. So yeah, Banjo-Kazooie, great game in my opinion. Yeah. And you, as always, you get to find puzzle pieces just like in the first and second game. Yeah, that's right. So yeah. So yeah. How cool is that? Oh, and there's a whole lot of stuff in this game as well. Yup, that's right. Oh, and after all, we only got 7 minutes left, so no worries. We can still do it. Yeah, that's right. And there's also playing dominoes as well. How cool is that? Oh, and there's a hell lot of stuff to do in this, and that comes to the Hell-Ass Trilogy. Defeating the final boss. I'm not gonna spoil it or anything, so yeah, you have to see for yourself, alright? Cool beans. Yeah. That's right. So yeah. After all of this is my gameplay, you see? All of this on the Xbox One. Okay, this is the last time I'm gonna say that. Until the next video, alright? Cool beans. Yeah, that's right. So yeah. Oh, and there's giant dice as well. How cool is that? So yeah. Oh, and there's these rings you get to fly through as well. So yeah. So ready, go. Yep, I managed to defeat these guys as well. So yeah. After all, we only got 5 minutes left, so no worries. Let's do this, alright? Alright. And there's the matter of sadly no appearance for 2D. And there's boss fights like Grandella. Yeah, that's right. And as well as Grandella's sister. Yup. Oh, and maybe 2D was going to be playable in this game, but who knows? Maybe they got scrapped. That got scrapped as well. So yeah. How cool is that? So yeah. Oh, and one of the pain in the ass things to do is to go through rings, like I said. Yep, that's right. And how cool is that? You even get to fly across platforms. Yep, that's right. As well as collecting puzzle pieces as well. How cool is that? So yeah. Oh, and you even get to collect puzzle piece tokens as well. How cool is that? After all, oh, and be careful not to tip over, or else you're gonna have a bad time. Yup, that's right. Yeah. So, these tips come around from time to time, yeah. And by the way, this is the hoo-hoo! Yup, that's right. Yeah, I had to censor myself. Yup, that's right. Oh, and so yeah, there's a whole lot of stuff to do in this game as well. Yeah, that's right. And this inventory as well comes in handy. Yeah, that's right. So yeah. Oh, and you get to come across this little guy as well. Yeah, that's right, the little blue guy. How cool is that? Only get trophies as well as this gold guy as well. Comes with these colorful things come around from time to time. Yeah, how cool is that? So yeah. Alright. I have a lot of stuff in mind, a lot of stuff I wanted to say about Banjo-Kazooie nuts and bolts for the Xbox One, which is what I have it for as a digital download. It had mighty big boost to fill, and I do think Rare, in my opinion, really nailed this reboot of some sort. Yeah, that's right. So yeah, I'm gonna go over the stuff to collect. Are you ready? As I am. Alright, here we go. It has 131 puzzle pieces to collect, 230 musical notes to collect, 51 bosses to defeat, as well as 78 people, colorful people to save as well. Yup, that's right. That's the total you need. Total needed. 75 puzzle pieces, 500 musical notes, and I think that's it for bosses and colorful people, yeah. Anyway, that's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoy. Definitely subscribe if you're new here, and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, comment, and share if you get the chance. So if you do hit that subscribe button and that like button, I'll send you a Crash Bandicoot and Coco Bandicoot action figures. So I'll see you all in my next video.